Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix face unlock not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to clean the front camera lens with a microfiber cloth. So grab a microfiber cloth, I like to tuck it in my finger, and here I like to just clean the camera. Now after cleaning the camera spot for a couple of seconds, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and re-register our face in the settings. So in the settings, you just go over right here. Now you should scroll down until you see password and security and go to your face unlock. Of course, you will have to enter your password, and here you click delete facial data if you already have it. We're going to enroll our face, and here as you guys can see, first make sure that the recording environment is well lit and free of direct sunlight. So we want to make sure that we have good lighting during the setup and during the use of our face unlock. Now we're going to click start, and you will probably not see this process since you have to hold it really close to your face. But as you guys can see, I just look into the camera, and I hope that you saw that process a little. Now I just looked into the camera, I was still talking, and as you guys can see, it still should work. So let's look into the camera. As you guys can see, the unlock went off. That means our face unlock is also working. So that's how you guys can do it. Now if it's still not working for you, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any camera glitches. So scroll all the way down in the settings into the system, go to system update, and click on online update. Now you want to make sure that your version is up to date. It's very important because you want to make sure that you fix those camera bugs. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.